to subscribe and hit that bell down on the bottom. The bell? How far down is it? Make sure to subscribe. Is that right? Okay. Well, let's get into it. I don't like that part. Let's get into it. Oh, okay. Adjusting. Hold on. Cut. For buyers to make your cut. Of course, selling agent. Oh no, that's me. Cut. And that they are ready to. Hold on. Cut. And that they are. Okay. And that they are ready to move. Hold on. Cut. I shouldn't go say that. I was going to say, don't let an agent tell you they can't do that. Hold on. Cut. Okay. Cut. I can't say that. I want to, but I can't. Cut. It allows the transaction. Cut. I then, hold on, cut. No, it's not true. Yeah, it is true. Once we cut. Okay, whatever. Blah, blah, blah. Paperwork. It's cut. Nothing more upsetting than walking through. Cut. There's nothing more. I forgot my train of thought. Cut. So, completion date. Concern. Cut. Cut. So again, cut. I'm just gonna take that out. Upsetting. Good. Keep saying there. Cut. Again, there's nothing more. Let me move on from this one. I'm done. I'll try it one more time. Bye. As I mentioned before, to their final. That's what I want to say. Again, as I mentioned, another thing to. This is for you, Kate, to edit back into the buyer side. And, as well as anyone for your buy for. I should say buyer. Another item that I would suggest. The final item. So much. Wait, should I talk about anything else? Oh my god. Thank you for.